Welcome to our quick review of the Xfinity Stream app. If you're looking for a way to watch live TV, on-demand shows and manage your recordings all in one place, this app might be exactly what you need. First, what is the Xfinity Stream app? The app gives users access to their full TV subscription whether they are at home or on the go. You can stream live channels, access thousands of movies and shows, and even schedule or watch your DVR recordings from your mobile device. Key features include Live TV access. If you're an Xfinity TV subscriber, you can stream over 250 live channels while out of the house, and your entire channel lineup when you're at home. On-demand library. The app also gives you thousands of shows and movies to watch whenever you like. Remote DVR control. You can schedule recordings from your phone or tablet, and access your recorded content on the go. Offline downloads and casting support. Some plans allow you to download content to watch offline, and cast from your mobile device to a larger screen via Comcast or compatible TVs. Why is this useful? For busy viewers who move between home, commute, travel or weekends away, having flexible access to TV plus movies in one app is a major convenience. You don't have to rely only on your home set-top box or stay tied to one location. However, as with any app, there are a few things to keep in mind. Availability and features may depend on your subscription plan and region. Also, streaming apps rely on decent internet connectivity for a smooth experience. If you're already an Xfinity customer, this app is a strong addition to your entertainment options. If you're considering switching or adding it, check exactly which live channels, offline and casting features apply to your plan. In closing, the Xfinity Stream app brings together live TV, on-demand, and remote DVR features into one convenient mobile-friendly solution. If you want flexible access to your content wherever you are, it's definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or want to see a demo of the app in action, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews.